This year's Fulbright Seminar in American Studies took place on the Wolfgangsee. The annual event offers opportunities for our Austrian and US program participants to network with each other. Prior to the 3 US Fulbright Scholars presentations, the students and teaching assistants met in breakout sessions to discuss questions related to the 3 presentations. All program participants attended info sessions with their program officers to learn more about the next phase of their Fulbright journeys. And there was plenty of time for program participants to mingle and learn about each other's work. The US Fulbright students showcased their research projects during a poster presentation. Other highlights included a boat trip to St. Wolfgang, a pub quiz, and a scenic hike along the lake and through the woods. We hope all our program participants had as much fun as we did. See you at the next event.